Dumelang, welcome to the meeting of the Legal Mindz podcast. My name is Lionel Makokotlela, and today we are joined in studio by one of the directors of the foundation, and he's going to tell us a little bit about himself and the foundation. Mr. Mgiba, welcome to the Legal Mindz podcast foundation.
Thank you. Thank you for welcoming me. And thanks for everyone who's actually supported us so far. My name is Mgiba. I'm director of Mgiba Law Inc., the law firm, and also the meeting of the Legal Mindz Foundation. This here podcast is one of our initiatives through the foundation, where we try to reach young, aspiring legal minds and also other professionals using this kind of platform. As you know, the other initiative is the networking sessions that we have. That's another way of us grouping or gathering a bunch of young, black, or even seasoned professionals in a sitting. So I think the podcast is a great opportunity for people to come up here, share their stories, share advice, legal advice that particularly speaks to our black communities. Mm-hmm. You know, issues like deceased estates, issues like mentorship in the legal field, and also in other professions, you know, because I think whatever we say that deals with, if we talk about mentorship, it can also, you know, in the legal field, it can also be used in other fields. You know, I just think that's somewhere where we're lacking. Okay. In terms of mentorship. So that's what we want to do, and that's what we're trying to push here.
And for other professionals who might want to get involved, how do they actually reach out to you, or how do they actually get more information pertaining becoming part of the foundation or any of the activities that you guys might be undertaking?
You know, we they can reach out to me on all social media. First and foremost, they can reach out to me on LinkedIn, you know, all the social media programs, sites that are out there. In terms of how they can be useful to us, well, like, you know, obviously we're at a stage where we're still in the infancy stage of our NPC, in a non-profit organization. So we're obviously looking for things like funding. We're also trying to get into the different sectors, financial sectors, for funding and also for assistance in whatever initiatives that we want to push. So if, for instance, there are people, let's say from SICA, you know, who, you know, the different organizations within SICA who are in accountants in that industry, and they want to collaborate with us, or they want to partner with us, or they want to use our resources, or whatever the situation, they can come in and, you know, we will welcome them, as long as the initiative is in line with what we are trying to push.
Okay.
You know, we obviously trying to push the disenfranchised, the less privileged. We're trying to empower them. So that's what we're trying to push, you know, and trying to reach the communities that haven't been reached, that haven't been spoken of, reach the young mind out there who wants to become a certain professional, but is not getting the correct information or enough information, you know. So that's what we're trying to do.
You once mentioned that you are hoping to start a career day where different professionals can actually come on board, and you'd go to high schools where you would actually speak to pupils pertaining to various professionals, and also within the legal field, breaking it down from the traditional lawyering to corporate lawyering and things like that. And how far is that initiative?
Yeah, so that one is still in the planning phase. I think more specifically when I was communicating that initiative, it was more about going to the different schools, particularly those varsities, those who are already studying their law degrees, LLBs or BCom laws, and engage them and try to give them an understanding of what the legal profession is after they graduate. Because a lot of people just have a thinking that it's what do you call it? You know, you do your LLB and then you go do your articles and you go to court, and that's your legal career. You know, I want to educate them on the different sectors. Okay. There's entertainment law, there's conveyancing, there's a whole broad, field of legal aspect. I mean, there's advocacy. If you want to be an advocate, speak about that route, So educate them more, because I didn't have that information when I was doing my studies, I don't know, maybe I wouldn't have gone through the whole way. I would have just gone and become a legal consultant, in-house counsel at, and find one of the financial institutions. So let's give the young people this information so that they are more equipped when it comes to that decision making. Once they graduate, they know, okay, fine, I want to find a law firm that specifically does ABCD. Because you'll find that a person will graduate, and then the only firm that takes them is let's say, criminal law firm. And that's what you are now going to be doing for the rest of your career. Because for 2 years, you'll be doing nothing but criminal law. Yes. And then now for you to pivot into something else afterwards, it's going to be a bit difficult, So, yeah, we try to guide them. And obviously with our networks, if someone wants to entertain going into family law after graduation, then we'll say, okay, we do have family laws. We do have law firms in our networks that have a branch and that have a division that does family law. So we'll try to put you in there for your candidacy program.
Okay,
and take it from there.
Just so that at least I understand. So the whole career guidance, it's specifically focusing on legal field, as opposed to, let's say, people who might want to become chartered accountant and
for now
and things like that.
For now it is legal field. I mean, I think in our organization it's legal people, but like I said, we do welcome others that want to come in and give life to the other sectors. And I mean, I'm more than happy to partner up with anyone who wants to do that.
All right.
Yeah, but for now, obviously, we are legal people, so we're not gonna have accounting days, But for now, let's speak to the legal minds, the young legal minds. I mean, you are a business-minded person, so I mean, we can also have something there. We can partner up with you and go in and speak about business and also the importance of business and legal, all of that.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time, and we wish you the best of luck with the initiative that you guys are going to undertake.
Yes, I just want to close off. Thank you very much, Lionel, for that. And I just want to close off by saying that we should be having our next networking session in November. More details will follow in due time.
Thank you.
Thank you.